Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my brows, so let's get started. First, I'm taking the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and I'm using this to carve out the general shape of my eyebrows. You can even just use your favorite concealer for this, it really doesn't matter. I like to prime my lids while carving out my eyebrows at the same time, so you're killing two birds with one stone with this one. Next, my weapon of choice for today's video is the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown, and I'm starting off at the middle part of my brows and working my way out. You have to use small strokes for this one just to make sure you don't make boo-boos or mistakes and errors along the way. This ensures that you also pay attention to the shape that you created with your concealer or with your paint pot, and this is gonna be your general guide really for the shape of your brows. Also, I like to do my brows simultaneously because this will allow me to really achieve almost identical eyebrows at the end. Now, because my brows are really they have a mind of their own and they also have a shape of their own, so that's why with a little bit of symmetry I kind of carve out the general shape of my of the upper part of my brows by doing the dots, as you can tell, and then I slowly fill in the shape towards the middle part only, and then with whatever's left on my brush I slowly blend it out to the front part of my brows. This is going to help me achieve the gradient effect, which is awesome. Now that's done. If you guys don't want to put on brow gel, you don't have to, but because my brow hairs are sparse, I want to achieve the full brow effect like Cara Delevingne, so I'm going to use my brow gel to achieve that. But then again, if you are blessed with beautiful full brows, then you don't have to do this at all. And that's how I do my brows. It's fairly simple, and I think the best advice that I could give you guys so that you can achieve brows that are on fleek is to keep on practicing. As they say, Rome was not built overnight, so you have to do and put in your hard work as well. So hopefully this video may have given you a few tips and tricks to help you achieve your brows being on fleek. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Please comment below what are the videos you would like to see from me next. I'd love to hear them. For now, thank you, and may you have a fabulous day ahead. Bye!